I'm gonna do it. So, if you have a look around here, you've got Model 3 instrument panel in front of us, which includes Model 3 center display, Model 3 steering wheel, Model 3 center console as well. Surprisingly, you're actually sitting on top of Model 3 seats as well. So these are just set on risers, so it's a little bit easier to get in and out of the car. Give you a bit better, like higher vantage point as well for visibility on the outside.
Got it.
This is the dual motor long range car. Give you a little sense of the performance there. So this is directly out of Model 3.
So what's 0 to 60 on this?
Okay, got it.
I don't know on this exact one actually. You can also do a little bit of a slalom here, just so you can get a good sense of how flat the car handles. And the reason we're able to do that is the highest concentration of mass is directly below us, which is a carryover Model 3 battery pack. So just like the rest of our cars,